Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show to you the way how to apply a filter for your photo in Instagram story. So the thing that you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in with the account that you used, and after that you need to go into this home section, or you can also just go into this plus button. But then if you are already in a home section, just slide your screen into the right side so that you will be have an access into the story part. And after that you just need to go click this part to add your photo for the content Instagram story, and then you just need to pick one of the photo on your photo library. And to apply the filter, you just need to take a look on this upper tools here. There will be like several tools that we can use. Since we want to apply the filter, just go click this, and there will be pop up here the filters that provided by the Instagram. You just need to let slide and give it a try into your photo one by one and find out which filters that you want to have for your picture. And after you done choosing the filters, you just need to go click done, and here is the look. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story, and that's the way how to add filter or apply filter on your photo for your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.